Hey everyone, in this video, the Williams Homes development in Piru, priced in the $600,000 to $700,000 with tons of upgrades. If you were gonna get a home of a similar build to these gorgeous homes here in other parts of Ventura County, you're gonna easily pay in the 900s. So come along with me and check out these models. I think you're gonna be super impressed. Included as a standard upgrade in the primary bath are a gorgeous tiled shower wall and also your choice of either white or gray quartz countertop. Beautiful features included in the kitchen include the stainless steel GE appliances, thermofoil shaker style cabinets, a Moen pull down faucet with spring, and also pantry with shelving. In the shower of the second and third bathroom, you have a fiberglass insert instead of tile. The views of the surrounding mountains to this development are breathtaking, especially as you get closer to sunset and see the shadows and the light. This is the view to Citron Avenue, and then also as I'm moving to the right to the Paloma style homes. There's 4 of them here that are currently under construction. This is Citron Avenue facing the Orange Grove. This is roughly where it starts, where the homes are built that Leonard is interested in. So I think the view even will be blocked by these trees. These are the Paloma homes.
Homes are going quickly, and so the builder currently is not giving any incentives. However, if you reach out to Bart and myself before you register with the builder, then we will give you an incentive. So give us a call, text, email, and set up a time to come over and take a look at these amazing homes.